Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will show you how to find out which programs and files will be affected after a system restore. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article linked below. To start, open a run box and type in rstrui.exe and click OK. In the dialog box, you'll have two options. If you decide to go with the recommended restore point, you can click on the link that says Scan for Effective Programs. If not, click on the Next button, click on one of the restore points, then click on the button that says Scan for Affected Programs. The system will scan for affected programs and give you two lists. One list will show you programs and drivers that will be deleted, and the second will show you programs and drivers that might be restored. Those programs might not work correctly and possibly will need to be reinstalled. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.